If you want to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using Steam's built-in drivers, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set up your DualShock 4 controller using either a USB cable or Bluetooth, and then make sure Steam recognizes it properly for gaming. This is a quick setup, but getting it done the right way can save you a lot of frustration later. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the wired method, because this is the most stable option and the one I recommend if you want the fastest setup. Take your micro USB cable and plug one end into your PS4 controller. Then plug the other end into an available USB port on your PC. In most cases, Windows will automatically detect the controller and install the drivers for you. You usually don't need to download anything extra. Once it's connected, you should feel the controller power up, and Windows should recognize it right away. If you want to use the controller wirelessly, Bluetooth is the next option. Before you start pairing, make sure your PC has Bluetooth turned on. On Windows, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and switch Bluetooth on if it's not already enabled. This part is important because the controller won't show up if Bluetooth is disabled. Now grab your PS4 controller. Hold down the Share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the light bar start flashing. That flashing light means the controller is in pairing mode and ready to connect to your computer. Back on your PC, click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Wait a moment while Windows scans for nearby devices. When you see something listed as Wireless Controller, select it. After a few seconds, the pairing should complete and your controller will be connected to the PC. Now that the controller is connected, the next step is to open Steam and make sure the built-in controller support is enabled. Launch Steam, then go to the top left corner and click Steam, then Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Controller tab. This is where Steam handles controller configuration and compatibility. In the controller settings, make sure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This is the key setting that allows Steam to properly detect and map your DualShock 4 controller for games that support it. Once this is turned on, Steam can translate the controller input more smoothly and help you play with better compatibility across a lot of games. If the controller isn't working immediately, try restarting Steam after enabling the setting. In some cases, Steam needs a quick restart before the controller is fully recognized. Also, if you're using Bluetooth and it doesn't connect the first time, just repeat the pairing process and make sure the controller is still in flashing mode while Windows searches for it. A quick tip, if you mainly play on your desk and want the most reliable connection, go with the USB cable. If you want more freedom and less cable clutter, Bluetooth is great once it's paired correctly. Either method works well with Steam as long as the controller is detected and PlayStation configuration support is enabled. And that's it. Your PS4 controller should now be connected to your PC with Steam's built-in support ready to go. You can now jump into your games and use the DualShock 4 for a smooth gaming experience. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and leave a comment if you want help with other controller setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.